Hey there, are you looking to make some extra cash in your free time? Maybe you're saving up for something special or just want a little extra spending money. You're in the right place. We've got some fantastic tips and tricks to help you turn those spare moments into real money. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more ways to make money online. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. And hey, drop a comment below with your country so I can make videos tailored just for you. Your feedback helps me create content that's relevant and useful for everyone, so let's get into it. Ready to start making money? It doesn't matter where you are, whether you're chilling at home, commuting, or enjoying a coffee at your favorite cafe. You can easily turn those spare moments into cash with Golden Surveys. This platform is designed to be user-friendly and accessible from anywhere. Let's break it down. There are several ways you can earn money with Golden Surveys, and I'll walk you through each one. First up, we have surveys. These are a great way to share your opinions and get paid for it. Explore a variety of engaging surveys and share your insights on topics you care about. From consumer products to entertainment, your opinions matter. Every opinion brings you closer to cash rewards. The more surveys you complete, the more you earn. Imagine getting paid just to share your thoughts. It's that simple and rewarding. Next, check out the quick polls. These are super easy and take just a few seconds to complete. Just express your opinion and see how it stacks up with the community. It's a fun way to engage and earn at the same time. It's a fun and fast way to earn a little extra. Plus, it's interesting to see how your views compare with others. For those of you who love gaming, Golden Surveys has something for you too. This is where it gets really exciting. Exclusively on the app, you can enjoy playing fun games and earn money while you do it. It's a win-win situation. Seriously, who wouldn't want their playtime to turn into payday? It's like getting paid to have fun. And when it comes to getting paid, Golden Surveys makes it simple and fast. Redeem your earnings hassle-free. No complicated processes or long waits. Choose between PayPal or your favorite gift cards. Whether you prefer cash or shopping, there's an option for you. Instant access to your rewards, no waiting around. Your hard-earned money is just a click away. So, what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. Start turning your free time into cash. It's easy, fun, and rewarding. Explore surveys, participate in polls, and play games. There's something for everyone. And remember to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is valuable and helps improve the content. I'd love to know how it's working out for you. Share your experiences and tips with the community. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means a lot. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. There's always more to learn and earn. Catch you in the next one. Until then, happy earning!